This go.
Okay, do you want to get that one out? Oh, you like this one, don't you? This one's pretty cool. It's a crane. You want to play with that one? That's a crane.
I want to put it here.
Okay.
Now. Let's just go home. Hey, this train. This train's.
That one's cool too. I like that one. Let me see. Can you show it to our viewers? This one is really great. See, it's got a light right here. Yeah.
Hey, what's this one?
Okay, go ahead and get it out. Oh, those are more, looks like road signs. You see them? Do you need me to open them?
Yeah.
They're just like those other ones.
Open it.
Where do you want to put it? Show me.
Oh, yeah.
There. Oh, you want to put the signs there?
Yeah. It's train stoppers. Here? Yeah.
See that? See how I took it off?
No?
See how I took it off? That's how they're meant to be. You take them off of this plastic thing. Okay. Whoa! Yeah. Did you move your signs out of the way? Here it comes. Whoa! Whoa! You gonna chase him? You gonna chase him this time? Oh, you got him! Woo! Here he goes! You want me to go backwards?
Yeah.
He can go backwards right here. Do you want to do this? Do you want to come control him?
Yeah.
Okay, you know how to do it. Go ahead. You want to put a car on there? What are you doing? A dance? What happens if he wrecks? You gonna switch it to that track? Uh-oh. A wheel, yeah. This one's missing a wheel. Can you get me a wheel? Yes. Yes. Exactly. So this is how I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna put this right here. You see that? It's gonna snap right in. There it goes. You see that? Now it's in. There it is. Got it. Hold on, I'm going to put the main train on. It takes a second to get these wheels lined up. And then I'm going to click it together right there. Click. Okay. And let's see if we can get her to go. Here she goes. Here she comes. And she's got... You want to connect some more cars?
Huh?
You want to connect some more trains? Yeah, give me that one. That's the caboose. We can put that one on there. Give me another one.
Huh?
Give me another one. Yeah, give me that one. Okay. Flatbed. I like this one. Let's do that one. Okay. Give me another one.
Okay.
Oh, I like that one too.
Let me open this.
Oh, do they open and shut? Let me see you do it. Oh. Can you put some horses in there?
Yeah.
You can put that little horse inside of there?
Yeah.
Open the door and put the horse in there. Here's another one. You want another horse to put in there? You Put the little horses in there,
Yeah?
okay?
Animals.
You can put a cow in there if you want.
Huh?
You can go put a cow in there if you want.
Bye. Bye.
Is there any more? That's all? So you gotta fix this guy. This guy. He's gotta go like that. That's a corral. You gotta fix this little guy. You got kind of wind damage.
Okay, farmer.
What?
A farmer.
A farmer. Oh, he is a farmer.
It's what he is.
He's gonna go in there with his cows?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is his farm, right?
Huh?
This is his farm right here? Is this his farm?
Yeah.
Bring it over here. We can take the cows for a ride.
Huh?
You want to take the cows for a ride?
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Bring it over here and I'll connect it. You can take the cows for a ride.
This?
Yeah. Yeah. I see the cows. I see them in there. So I'm going to go like this. Do you want me to shut the door?
Oh.
Look at the cows. Look. They're inside that door right there. Look at them. Look at them. Okay, you want to put the cows the other way? Okay, you want to put the cows in there. Come on out. Come on out, cows. Oh, do you need help? I can fix that for you. Let me put that door back on for you. I'll put it on as soon as you get all the cows out. Are you putting the cows inside of this train right here? Is that where you're putting them?
Oh. I'll check your engine.
Okay, I'm gonna put this door on here.
Check your engine.
You want to look at the engines? Okay. You want to check the engines? Let's see how the other one's on. Oh yeah, the other one's on in between. So I'm just gonna go like that. Click it on. There it is. We got it. Woo! All right, so we got our cows in the corral now. We gotta fix these trees. They blew down. What do you got? What is it? Is it more people? Want me to open it?
This one.
What is that one? Let me see. Let me see. Those are people. You have to paint them. So you take them off of there.
Huh?
So you take them off. See that? You twist it.
Huh?
There it is. Now you can take the person and put them over here.
Huh?
So now that person right there, he's gonna wait at the train station. See, there he is. He's waiting at the train station. See? Are you hungry? Oh, you want to sit down? Okay, we can sit down. Which one do you want? Look what we got here. Hold on, let me show the fans. Look what we got. Smile. Which one do you want? Do you want the hot dog? Or you want the hamburger?
Yeah.
You want the hamburger?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna eat the hot dog. All right?
Okay.
All right, can I open it for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at. You got a hamburger? Yeah. Oh, I'm so hungry. Break time. Break time.
Yummy.
Yeah. You got my hot dog. This one's mine.
It's red.
No.
It's red.
Are you gonna eat yours? Oh, what about the plastic? Take it out of the plastic. Oh, you don't want me to take it out.
What?
Lunchtime together.
I did it.
You got it out?
Yeah.
Okay, me too. Are you ready? Show your fans your hot hamburger. And show my hot dog. Mmm. 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 It's good.
Oh, look, it's finished. Look,
Oh.
it's finished.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to get the train going again, but we're on break. Roxy Roar. What are you dressed up as? Roxy Roar. Roxy Roar. You're dressed up as Superwoman today. Whoa.